TunnelBear VPN Review. A friendly and hassle-free VPN with a quality free plan. VPNs can seem like a complicated technology, packed with low-level geeky details that hardly anyone understands, but check the TunnelBear site and you'll quickly realize this service does things differently. TunnelBear subscription options. 12-month plan, $4.99 per month, $59.88 total cost. The Canadian-based, McAfee-owned company doesn't drown you in jargon. There's little talk of protocols, no mention of encryption types, barely any technical terms at all. Instead, the site focuses on the fundamentals, such as clearly explaining why you might want to use a VPN in the first place. This approach won't work for everyone. If you're an experienced user and want to get down to the technical details of the service, for instance, you're likely to be disappointed. For example, the support site returns one article if you search for DNS, one for OpenVPN, and there are no hits at all for MTU. Want to try TunnelBear? Check out the website here. The service has a relatively small network, with locations in 22 countries only covering North America, Europe, Brazil, Mexico, Japan, India, Singapore, Hong Kong, Australia, and New Zealand. Setup is easy on all the main platforms, thanks to custom clients for iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows, as well as a browser extension. But if you're hoping to get the service working on routers, games consoles, Chrome ebooks, Linux, or anything else even slightly non-standard, there's almost no help to be found. Still, if you're happy with the regular apps, TunnelBear's support for up to 5 simultaneous connections means you'll be able to have most of your devices running at the same time. Plans and pricing. Today's TunnelBear price plan deals. While TunnelBear's free account restricts you to a horribly limited 500 MB of traffic a month, TunnelBear's special Tech Radar plan offers a far more generous 5 GB. That gives you many more browsing options, and for instance could allow you to watch 20 minutes of streaming 480p video every day, and still have some browsing time left over. TunnelBear's commercial service is available via 2 simple plans. TunnelBear's Giant plan gives you unlimited data for $9.99 a month. But if you're willing to pay a year upfront for the Grizzly plan, the price drops to an effective $4.99 a month. Some competitors are much more expensive. ExpressVPN charges $8.32 a month on the annual plan, for instance. Others can be considerably cheaper. NordVPN costs $2.91 a month over 2 years, but overall TunnelBear is within the range we would expect for a quality VPN. The only small disappointment is the shortage of payment methods. Not only is there no Bitcoin support, the service doesn't even accept PayPal, it's strictly card only. If you do sign up for TunnelBear, keep in mind that there's no money-back guarantee. The small print says, while all amounts paid are non-refundable, certain refund requests for subscriptions may be considered by TunnelBear on a case-by-case basis, presumably if you've had really bad service, but it's entirely up to the company to decide what should happen. Privacy and logging. TunnelBear's privacy policy is one of the most thorough we've seen from any VPN provider, with in-depth information on everything the service collects, and everything it doesn't. We do mean thorough, too. Details go right down to the names, purposes, and expiry dates of the cookies used by TunnelBear.com. The logging policy is clearly described, with TunnelBear explaining that it does not collect IP addresses visiting our website, IP addresses upon service connection, DNS queries while connected, any information about the applications, services, or websites our users use while connected to our service. As a result, the company says, it can't link any of its users to an action carried out by a specific IP address. Sounds good to us. The service does record what it calls operational data, updating it when you connect to the network. This includes the OS version of your device, TunnelBear app version, whether you've been active this month and the bandwidth you've used. Not quite zero logging, then, but it's far less than we've seen elsewhere, and there's nothing here that anyone could use to begin to link you to a specific online action. While that looks great, there's normally no way to tell whether you should trust what a VPN provider is telling you. But TunnelBear is a little different.